subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Audiences were very, very sweet and they missed me a lot and they made a big hue and cry about it, which was very sweet of them. He's one of those very inspiring artists and as a human being, he has a beautiful attitude. So Nani is a real favorite. So I've just shot this schedule with John recently, 10 days ago. So there's that. There's something else that I might be shooting in October called Sammohanam. And Sudhir was the hero of that film. I loved working with him. He's very shy. And we all tease him because, all of us are foodies. And Sudhir, we are eating all kinds of things, biryani and murku and this, that. And Sudhir is eating lean meat. I mean, somebody wrote to me saying Sahiba is a hero and she's so inspiring for all the girls. And then of course people are like, Sahiba is everything. And then people are like, Vishnu and Sahiba should be together forever and Sahiba should never have died. And Vishnu and Sahiba, couple goals, great, amazing love story, Nani and me and Mani sir. That would be ideal.
Hello guys, today we have with us the gorgeous Aditi Rao Hydari, who's all set for her big release, V. Hello Aditi, welcome to India Forums.
Hi.
First of all, Aditi, how are you keeping up with the whole lockdown and the corona thing going on? Are you safe and sound?
Yes, I'm safe and sound. I'm with family and very well looked after. Trying not to get fat.
No, it's good to hear that you're all in the pink of the health. So first of all, this new way of interacting and now the new digital release, are you anxious that, the film is not getting the big screen release? And
now the deed is done. It's already on Amazon and it's released and it's gotten a great reaction. At the beginning, of course, I was concerned. I wanted V to be a theatrical release because V was made for the theatre and it has that larger than life scale and action and love and romance and songs. And so, of course, I was anxious, but I feel OTT is the need of the hour in many ways. And the audiences were waiting for this film. And the way that they have reacted to it, we can all just chill and be really happy because there has been unanimous love for the film. So I'm very happy about that. I have no complaints.
When we saw the trailer, it looked very promising. But we couldn't get a glimpse of you in there. Yeah. And when we interacted with Sudhir Babu, he also said that Aditi's character is very mysterious. It's in a mystery in itself. So if you could just shed some light on that.
No, she's not a mystery, but we decided to keep it under wraps because she's the cause for everything that happens, and it's the love story between Nani and me that basically because of which the entire story unfolds. So because of that, I think we didn't want to reveal Sahiba. We didn't want to show her in the trailer, and it was a decision that we made collectively. Except that I think the audiences were very, very, very sweet and they missed me a lot and they made a big hue and cry about it, which was very sweet of them. So I felt very loved. But ultimately, I'm very happy that we did it like this because I feel stories should unfold the way that they do. And the climax and the second half of the film is so important, and the way that the love story unfolds and the way that the climax unfolds is very important. So it in fact gives Sahiba's character that much more sort of love in many ways, for it to have unfolded the way it did.
Okay, and talking about V, it's such a small title and again a mystery revolving around it. If you could just shed some light on that.
V can stand for many things, but in this film it's Vishnu, and he as a lot of serial killers use a particular kind of signature, something to put their chap on whatever it is that they do. So Vishnu uses V. So V, I guess, stands for many, many things. Vengeance, Vishnu, victory, whatever. It could be many things.
Okay. And talking about Nani, how has it been working, sharing screen space with him?
Lovely. One of my best experiences, and I've said this so many times, he's really a favorite of mine, and as an actor and as a person. He's one of those very inspiring artists, and as a human being, he has a beautiful attitude. And I feel like I got to learn a lot from him. In fact, I shot a schedule of Sufiyum Sajatium, then came to the V set, worked with Nani, and then went back to Sufiyum Sajatium. And I feel like I took back a lot of learning from Nani onto the set of Sufiyum Sajatium, and it helped me a lot in my performance there. So Nani is a real favorite, and I think he also just eats up the screen. When he comes on screen, he's just so amazing to watch, and it's so incredible because in V he's playing such a different character. Usually he plays these very endearing, warm characters, and in V he's like quite frightening and menacing. But I feel like again he's played it so beautifully because through all of it you see, through every scene of his where he's being very violent, you still see the love and pain in his eyes for this girl, for his love that he has lost. So I feel he's a quite an incredible actor. I mean, he's an incredible actor, and I love the choices that he makes, and also he has a director's brain. So it's very amazing, like listening to him and working with him, and he's excitable also like a kid. And I shared that with him because we are very similar actually in many ways. So we got along well, and I think people have liked us together, which is great. I'm happy about that.
Okay. Also when we spoke to Sudhir Babu, he was all praises for you. He was like, Aditi was just so good with her lines. It was just amazing. He was all praises for you. So how was it been with him?
Sudhir and I didn't share any screen space in B, but Sudhir and I have worked together on a film with Mohan sir before. Mohan sir introduced me in Telugu cinema with a film called Sammohanam, and Sudhir was the hero of that film. I loved working with him. He's very shy, but he's amazing on camera. He just opens up on camera, and it's so nice because in Sammohanam he was just a boy next door, a simple boy next door, and in V he is this super cop, and he has this amazing energy, and I mean the stunts and the action and the kind of commitment that he's put into building that body, and it's like hats off to him. We all tease him because like all of us are foodies, and Sudhir, we are eating all kinds of things, biryani and murku and this that, and Sudhir is eating like lean meat, and he gives us such a complex with his discipline and his diet, but. Yeah, he was also a very good co-star. But in this film, I didn't work with him. But I think he did an amazing job as Aditya.
How was it on the sets? Any anecdotes that you still recall?
One of my first days of shoot, not one of my first days of shoot, my first day of shoot was when I was welcomed on the set by Mohan sir, and I was like, "Welcome, Sahiba, get ready to get killed." And that was the first day only they slit my throat. So I was just like, thanks. What a nice welcome. But I don't know. I think, of course, I spent all my time with Nani on set. So I would say that it was just working with him that was so much fun and so effortless. And Nani has a great sense of humor. So it was a lot of fun.
Okay. Aditi, there have been a lot of compliments pouring in from all sectors. So far, the best compliment you have received for the film or for the trailer for your role that you still recall, and it has been from whom?
I mean, apart from my friends from the industry and people, like some people I don't even know from the industry, some senior directors and actors, etc. Apart from that, I think, like what really, really matters is people's love, because it's audience is king at the end of the day, and it's their love that we are because of them in many ways. And I feel like some of their responses have been so sweet. Like, of course, like they have been somebody wrote to me saying Sahiba is a hero and she's so inspiring for all the girls, and then of course people are like Sahiba is everything, and then people are like Vishnu and Sahiba should be together forever, and Sahiba should never have died, and Vishnu and Sahiba couple goals, and like it's these kinds of things, and they're really, really sweet. I mean, now what else to say? These are the kind of compliments that have been pouring in actually, much more than I expected. And yeah, it's been nice.
Okay. Now since Nani and yours Jodi have been a hit, so any plans to re-collaborate?
I would love to, if there's something good to do. I would love to do a love story because that's the kind of film that I enjoy doing. So I would love to do a good love story. In fact, I love to do a great, amazing love story, Nani and me and Mani sir. That would be ideal. Nani is also a big Mani Ratnam fan.
Oh, okay. All right.
Like me, we share that.
So when are we seeing you next in Bollywood?
So I just shot this schedule with John recently, 10 days ago. So there's that. There's something else that I might be shooting in October, and there are a couple of things I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, the poster with John that was released. You both were looking amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
One last message for your fans.
I'm here because of you, and in every single industry and every region that I've worked, I've been given so much love, and I'm so grateful for it, and I'm so blessed. So thank you, and I hope that I can give you that love back and live up to all the love that you do. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for connecting with us, and please take care of yourself and stay safe.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.